Okay, so today we're going to talk about finding the percent tip on a real world situation. So the question says Rosa and her friends are eating out for dinner. The bill was $45.80. They want to leave a 20% tip. Okay, how much should they leave for a tip, and how much will their total bill be? So, if they had $45.80 of a meal, and we want to find a 20% tip, we're going to use our proportion box. So we set up a proportion box just like we have done with anything percent of a number. And remember, percent of a number, our proportion box is over of equals percent over 100. So that's kind of where our information goes. And the is your part, and the of is your whole or your total. So in this case, we do have a total. So it does say their bill was $45.80. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the whole piece. So our of or our whole is going to be $45.80. And the is, the part, that's going to be where we are looking for our tip. So I'm going to kind of leave that blank for right this second. We're looking for what is the tip, what's the part of the $45.80. Percent is always a number out of 100, so the 100 is going to stay, but our percent, it says we're going to leave a 20% tip. So 20% is your typical, that's your tip that you leave if your waitress or waiter did a really good job. So we're going to leave that at 20. Thankfully, they must have done a good job with our food and getting us what we need. So we're going to do 20 out of 100. And I'm going to go ahead and plug in our variable right there. So we're looking for what is the part? What is the part out of the whole of $45.80? So we're going to solve this just like we have with every other proportion box. So every other proportion box, we cross multiply. So 100 times x gives me 100x. And I'm going to cross multiply the other side, 45.80 times 20. So I'll do that with a calculator here, $45.80 times 20, and that gives me 916. So here I've got 916, and now it's just a one-step equation. So that one-step equation says 100 times x, and the inverse of multiplying by 100 is going to be to divide by 100. So I'm going to divide by 100 on this side, and whenever I do on one side, I do to the other. And we've talked a little bit about this already, but our trick when we divide by 100 is just to move our decimal 2 spaces to the left. So if I take 916 and I move my decimal 2 spaces to the left, then my answer is x equals $9.16. So 916. So what that means is, if you look back to your proportion box, we were missing the part. So the part, the 20% tip, is going to be $9.16. So I can actually come over here and write $9.16. So now we kind of have to think about what to do with that. So it says they want to leave a 20% tip. We found that that was $9.16. And now the last question says, how much will their total bill be? So total bill means you're going to take the $45.80 and you're going to add the $9.16. A tip is an amount that you pay on top of your bill, just as a thank you to your waiter or waitress. So you're going to take the $45.80. You're going to add the $9.16. So we've got, that's 14. So their actual total is $54.96. Okay, so remember, the biggest thing is, how do you set up your proportion? So as we were looking at this information, the things that we really needed to pay attention to was this was their total, 45.80 was the total that they started with, and they were looking for 20% of that information. So really just make sure you're paying attention to where your information goes in your proportion box, and once you have it set up correctly, you just cross multiply and solve your equation.